Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and payment method. Open Settings, make sure iOS is current. Outdated software blocks contactless transactions. Next, open Wallet, tap the plus button and add your credit or debit card. Follow the bank verification prompts. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is active and a passcode is set. This secures each tap to pay. Once done, you're ready to authenticate payments quickly without extra hardware. Now you'll perform the tap action and authenticate. Wake the iPhone and hold the top edge near the contactless reader. Keep the screen visible. When prompted, authenticate. Either use Face ID, Touch ID, or double-click the side button if required. This step authorizes the transaction securely. Hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds. The terminal and iPhone exchange encrypted tokens. Make sure you see the check mark. Hear the chime or feel the vibration. That means the payment completed. Complete the process by verifying the charge in Wallet or your bank app. Receipts appear instantly for most cards. If the tap doesn't work, first try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode off then on, restart the iPhone, and ensure the reader supports contactless payments. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card. That refreshes tokens. Finally, contact your card issuer or update carrier settings. They can reissue credentials or resolve network authorization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.